In this video, we're going to run through how to insert charts and diagrams into your Google Slides slide decks. Beginning with charts, if you go to your Insert menu and move down to Chart, you'll see there are a couple of options. You can insert a bar, column, line, or pie chart from this menu. Doing so inserts a basic one, which is linked to a new Google Sheet that you can open and edit to your heart's content. Once edited to your specifications, all you need to do is move back to your slide deck, and you'll now notice that there's an update button in the top right corner of your chart. Clicking on this will update your chart to the latest version. Similarly, if you want to insert a chart that you've already created in Sheets, you can do so using the From Sheets option. Once you do this, it will bring up a list of your sheets within Google Drive. You can choose one which has charts in it, and it will bring up a list of all the charts within that document. Likewise, any changes that are made to the chart that you've inserted can be updated in the same way. If you'd prefer to unlink your chart so that it becomes just an image item, you can do so by clicking Unlink from the ellipsis menu within your chart. Diagrams are modular items that you can insert within your slides for representing the stages in a process or timelines. Once again, you can find them in the Insert menu, where you can see a list of the ones available or a list of all of them in the same place. Once you click View All, in this case, you'll see a visualized list of each types: grids, hierarchies, timelines, processes, relationships, and cycles. And these are useful in a wide variety of contexts. Clicking into an individual category will give you options for the amount of levels within your hierarchy and a color that you can choose to give your diagram a particular feel. Once you're happy with the levels and color that you want, clicking on the diagram will automatically insert it into your document. You can then edit all the individual aspects of your diagram simply by clicking on the different parts of it. Be careful while editing though, as in some cases, clicking and dragging may disrupt parts of the diagram. There's a useful keyboard shortcut for resizing text within your diagrams while maintaining consistent scaling. If you select multiple items and then hold Ctrl, Shift, and use the greater than and smaller than symbols next to the letter M on a Microsoft keyboard, you can resize text while ensuring that the scale between different items stays consistent.
Thanks for watching. Here at the Live Learning Company, we aim to take the hassle out of tech and put the human back into digital training. We deliver scalable training sessions in productivity and collaboration apps such as Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. Our sessions are delivered live by trainers, meaning you can ask questions as you learn. Click on the link to see our website and learn more.